Oh, what a fine day. I'm heading out to get the PPF done and also wrap the bike. I haven't decided on a color yet. I'm thinking I'll go with the black, the glossy black PPF, or maybe something like an iridescent grey. There's even a golden orange, but it's a little too loud. I don't want something too flashy. Whoa. I'm a little weirded out by the foot peg position compared to my previous adventure and the GT. Maybe I'm just used to rear set pegs, but when I do the same on this one, as you can see, my heel kinda hits the side stand. These don't really seem to be guarding anything. They seem like they'd break on impact. Whoa, chill with the horn, buddy. Now I don't have a phone mount. I'm relying on the navigation from the C30. Turn left. No. We head straight. Whoa. Whoa there. I'm heading to Garuda Car Spa. So far I've had a nice interaction online with the owner, Mr. Deepak, I believe. Whoa. Indicator. He has a KTM jersey, the guy behind, on the TVS. Nice to see KTM fans. Grabbing quite a few eyeballs. Not sure if it's because of my bike or my cam. Just how long is this signal? For some reason, the Google Maps navigation in the C30 is not very loud. I've tried everything. Tried changing every volume setting out there. Nothing happened. The bus driver was staring at me. Interesting.
Have a mind, know what it's showing you. Zoom coming from behind, bet what I'm gonna do. Jet black, window down, rolling the rhythm out. Drum, where it's coming from, all you be thinking about. Boom, coming from the bass, breaking the bar bits.
Man, idiots in the morning, I tell you. Where the hell am I? Overshot it.